In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer from wallet to exchange in Binance. So in Binance, exchange usually means spot wallet or funding wallet. So the tutorial will be basically moving money from these two so you can sell an example in P2P. So the first thing that you would like to do is simply click in at the top right. As you can see, you'll find your wallet icon. Just go and click on it and click on overview. From here, as you can see at the top, you'll find the estimated value that you have on the whole wallet, like spots, margin, funding, and everything. So all you need to do, just go and click on transfer. Once you click on transfer here, you would like to choose, do you want to transfer from which wallet to which wallets? Normally, it should be from fiat and spots to funding, or the other way. So from funding to fiat and spots, as example. So do whatever you want. Of course, you have other places to change from, like cross margin, earn, whatever you want. And then you'll have to choose the coin that you want to transfer as well. Whether you have BNB, USDT, Bitcoin, whatever you're trying to sell. Let's say, an example, I have USDT and I want to transfer that. Here you'll have to enter the amount that you want to transfer from that wallet to this wallet. If you want to transfer the max, just click on max. And if you want to transfer just a specific amount, just enter that amount and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, as example, you can go to the other wallets, as example, whether it's spots, whether it's funding, whatever it is, and you should find the funds right there without any problem. Just make sure that you select the correct coin that you want to transfer. And of course, it doesn't require you to enter any like address or anything because you're transferring just from the same Binance wallet, just from a place to another place in the same wallet. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.